check out the outdoor viewing areas of the Animal Kingdom Lodge, available for all to see. And while we're doing this, there's a fire alarm going off, but it is a test only. Some people look really confused. Like they're not quite sure what to do. If they would just listen, they would know that it's just a test. It's a little bit annoying. So even if you're not staying here, they have these amazing outdoor viewing areas. Ah, that is annoying. Please stop. Goodness. It is hot and humid. It is September 3rd. And we've had high temperatures of 95 to 98 degrees with 98% humidity. It's unbearable when the sun is shining. When the sun's not shining, it's bearable, but when the sun's shining, this is kind of cool. They have little wire sticks that stick up, and I guess the animals don't like to cross those. And even though they don't look very ominous, animals can't stand that stuff, just like those cow grates they put up on roads. So this is just all the public viewing area. Anybody can come to the lodge and check this out. Hopefully there's not a fire alarm going off when you come here. Just amazing rock work though. Nobody does rock work like Disney Imagineers. God, it's still going off. I figured it would stop. Oh, there's a baby over there. Babies. Oh, there's another babies. Jesus. This test has been going on for like 5 minutes. It started way before I started this video. I figured it'd be done by the time I started the video.
Okay.
There's a baby.
Yeah, yes. Their family is one also, and
There's a baby.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How long is that test going to go on for?
Which one?
The test. Fire alarm test.
I'm not sure how long it's gonna be because they just started now at 2.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't know how long.
It's been about 5 minutes.
It shouldn't be that long.
No?
Yeah.
It adds to the experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. this is the public area. Pretty amazing. There's actually quite a few cool things you can see at Animal Kingdom Lodge if you're not staying here. The gift shop is amazing. The waterfalls out by the pool are amazing. The lounge is amazing. This whole place is incredible. But you don't have to stay here to enjoy most of it. I even think you can use the pool. I know you're not supposed to, but I'm pretty sure you can just walk right in and use it. I think that the Polynesian and the Floridian, no, not the Floridian, the Polynesian is the only pool that requires your room key verification. But I'm pretty sure the rest of the hotels don't require that. Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna head back inside and hopefully that alarm stops soon.